course some chocolate. Before we begin with the recipe, it's very important to turn up the waffle iron because it takes a lot of time, and I'm going to do that now. To make the waffles, we don't need a lot of ingredients. We need 4 eggs, 100 grams of butter, 300 grams of flour, 3 glasses of milk, 2 packets of vanilla sugar, and a half pack of baking powder. Put the butter in a bowl. Then you have to put the bowl in the microwave for 40 seconds. Then you have to, in the same time, you have to put the 4 eggs like this, also in the bowl. Better to wash your hands because they are very dirty. So, my butter is ready. Like you can see, the butter is melted. So we're gonna put them together and we're gonna mix them together. You have to take a mixer and then mix them together. Like this. Now I'm going to add the flour. Look what I found! Oh, thank you. That's better. Thank you. So, now I'm going to add the flour and the milk by the eggs and the butter. And we have to mix them together. Oh, it's gonna help me. It's important to add the vanilla sugar because it gives a lot of flavor. I think our dough is now ready, but we are going to prove it to see if it's yummy. Delicious. Very delicious. I also think. Now that the dough is ready, we will make the waffles. First, we have to put some olive oil in a bowl and then put them on the waffle iron because otherwise the waffles will stick too much on the waffle iron. So Tessa will do it like that. As you see, the waffle iron is very hot. That's how it's supposed to be. Now she put the olive oil on the waffle iron. She do that very good. Thank you. So now that the olive oil is on the waffle iron, we'll put the dough on the waffle iron. So like that. And then we close it for 2 minutes, and then it's supposed to be ready. Okay, ready? So I'm going to open it. Yes, that looks great. It's very hot. Very delicious. I hope so. We don't gonna eat them now because we have to do the whipped cream and the melted chocolate. So we are gonna make that now. Now that the waffles are done, we will make the chocolates. First of all, cut the chocolates in little pieces in a pan. Afterwards, to melt the chocolate with a few drops of water, otherwise the chocolate will burn. Now the chocolate is done. It smells very good. So now we will do the whipped cream, and then we will show you the end of our waffles. To make the whipped cream, we need some cream, icing sugar, and a mixer. First, we will put the cream in the bowl. Then we put the sugar. After that, we're going to mix it. We have to mix it like until you see that's like real whipped cream, like very strong, and that you can turn your bowl and that the whipped cream doesn't fall. That's gonna take like 2 minutes, so that's a long time. Now you see the whipped cream is ready, so we stop to mix it, and we will see if it's good, because we will turn it yeah, like that. Yeah, it doesn't fall. So our whipped cream is ready. Now we will put it on our waffle and then put the chocolate above it, and we will see what's the result. Now that we made all the ingredients, we can finally put our dessert together. So, first she put the waffles on the plates. Then she puts the whipped cream in a great machine. Now she put the cream on the waffles. Now that it's done, we can only do one thing, is eat it up. Tessa, wat doe je? Eet je alles op? Dat moet op die wafels! Nee, dat moet wel op die wafels. We gaan nog opnieuw moeten doen. Tessa!